In this video, I am going to discuss the multiple choice based question on the first language English lesson, what is moral action? I have set totally 18 multiple choice questions on this lesson. So, if you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Now I have to look at the questions. The first question is like this: if you do not observe the conventional behavior, A, the result would be beneficial, B, the result would be anarchy, C, the result would be helpful, D, the result would be more understanding. The right answer is option B, the result would be anarchy. Question number 2. According to Gandhi, the moral act must come from others' force, spring from our own will, C, evoke from beneficial purpose, D, come out from one's self-interest. Choose the right answer. The right answer is spring from our own will. Option B is the right answer. Question number 3. The man who defies convention and acts on his own with a view to doing absolutely good is A, Saint Francis Xavier, B, Philip Wendell, C, King Richard II, D, William Shakespeare. The right option is option B, Philip Wendell. Till you learn to form your own opinions and express them, I do not care much about you think of me. These words are uttered by Francis Xavier, Philip Wendell, King Richard II, William Shakespeare. The right option is option B, Philip Wendell. Question number 5. Alexander the Great brought dash with him when he went on conquest. A, Greek language, B, Greek culture, C, arts and manner, D, all the above. The right option is option D, all the above. Question number 6. A moral act to have been done with A, good intention and self-interest, B, a bad intention, C, a beneficial purpose, D, a compulsion of others. The right answer is option A, a good intention and self-interest. Question number 7. The intention of Alexander bringing Greek language, culture and manners with him on his conquests is only A, to help other country people, B, to torture the other kings, C, to spread his culture, D, for conquest and renown. The right answer is option D, for conquest and renown. Question number 8. We can be regarded to be stepped on to the moral road when we Option A, ignore our conscience, B, care for our conscience, C, follow our culture, D, respect our forefathers. Right answer is option B, care for our conscience. Question number 9. It is only selfish and not moral of an employer to sympathize with his employees or to pay them higher wages, lest they kill him, lest they treat him as God, lest they leave him to support their families. The right answer is lest they leave him. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 10. King Richard's second act was not moral because Option A, promoted the peasants. Option B, forced the peasants to surrender the letters. Option C, declared special package to them. D, ignored them after. The right answer is option B, forced the peasants to surrender the letters. Question number 11. Love born out of the propic motive is no love. These words are uttered by option A, Saint Francis Xavier, option B, William Shakespeare, option C, King Richard II, option D, Philip Wendell. The right option is William Shakespeare. Question number 12. Saint Francis Xavier prayed that A, his mind might always remain pure, B, not for enjoying a higher seat after death, C, it was man's duty to pray, D, all the above. The right option is option D, all the above. Question number 13. Saint Teresa wished to have a torch in her right hand. A, to burn the glories of the heaven, B, to extinguish the fire of the hell, C, to show the right way to the people, D, to lead towards the heaven. The right answer is option A, to burn the glories of the heaven. Question number 14. Saint Teresa wished to have a vessel of water in her left hand to burn the glories of the heaven, to extinguish the fire of the hell, to show the right way to the people, to lead towards the heaven. The right option is option B, to extinguish fire of the hell. Question number 15. Henry Clay, known for his kindness, cruelty, good administration, great deeds. The right answer is for his kindness. Option A is right. 60 number question. Henry Clay sacrificed his conventions to his option A, kindness, B, cruelty, C, ambition, D, great deeds. The right answer is option C, for his ambition. Question number 17. Daniel Webster wiped out all his good deeds because of option A, his great intellect, option B, his sense of heroic and the sublime, option C, his sale of intellectual integrity for a price, option D, his ignorance of his study. The right answer is option C, his sale of intellectual integrity for a price. 18. It is very difficult to judge the morality of man's action because A, we can easily penetrate one's mind, B, we can understand the philosophy of a person, C, we cannot judge the behavior of men, D, we cannot penetrate the depths of his mind. The right answer is option D, we cannot penetrate the depths of his mind. So students, these are the questions which I set on this lesson. So please like the videos, watch the video from beginning to end, and share to your friends and comment on this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel.